Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming 2 essentials. You're signed into the correct Facebook account, and your phone allows notifications. On iOS, go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow Facebook, and toggle Allow Notifications. On Android, open Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Facebook, right arrow Notifications, and enable. Once done, open the Facebook app and confirm it's updated to the latest release to avoid missing new toggles. You're now ready for in-app notification controls and per page or friend settings that tailor what pings you. Next, adjust Facebook's internal notification categories so your device gets the right push types. In the app, go menu right arrow Settings and Privacy right arrow Settings, then Notifications right arrow Notification Settings. You'll see categories like comments, tags, live videos, birthdays, and more. Tap each to choose push, email, or SMS. Choose push for items you want immediately. For pages or groups, visit the specific page or group. Tap following or notifications and select the frequency. Make sure critical categories show push enabled. Finish by verifying system-level blockers and testing. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus on your device isn't silencing Facebook. Add Facebook as an exception to battery optimization so the OS won't suspend background delivery. If notifications still fail, revoke and regrant notification permission or uninstall/reinstall the app. Clearing the app cache can also help on Android. Finally, test. Ask a friend to message you or start a live. If you still don't get a push, restart the device and recheck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.